So, what are some of the most promising non-surgical hair restoration solutions you've seen success with?
Definitely, again, depending on what my findings are after an analysis. If I'm
Mhm.
doing a restoration for men who are having androgenetic alopecia, which is male pattern hair loss,
Yes.
if we catch it early, I can
Hmm.
start using the restoration system along with laser
Okay.
and massage, and I have seen such great results with that,
Mhm.
but I encourage everybody, if as soon as you start seeing the hair loss or the hair shedding, that's when you start investigating.
Mhm.
Go to a doctor, a dermatologist. Now, what I have found with dermatologists, a lot of them are extremely busy. So
Yeah.
they're not going to give you an hour, hour and a half to deep dive. You
Right.
know, I did have a client who came in and said she went to the dermatologist. Dermatologist said, "Oh, okay." She goes out, comes back with a needle, and it commences to giving her needles in her head. Never said why, what it could be, and she just kind of
Like,
sat there
that ain't happening today.
shocked, like,
Hilarious.
why are we
Right.
doing these? And I know what it was. It was cortisone shots, to help
Right.
with inflammation, but she had no clue and never went back to that dermatologist to go
Right.
deeper. But she's diabetic, she has high blood pressure. So there's a lot of underlying things that are happening.
Now,
In
could the
turn,
medications too that a diabetic or someone who has high blood pressure they're on, could that also affect their hair loss just because of
absolutely.
medications? Okay.
Well, the medications can definitely contribute to it even further because, again, you have high blood pressure, you're dealing with blood supply. So the high blood pressure is meant to lower the blood pressure,
Mm-hmm.
so you're dealing with, and you need blood flow to feed the bulb of the hair to make it grow.
Right.
So
Right.
anytime there's disruption, it's like with COVID.
Mm-hmm.
If you look, there's so many Facebook groups out there with COVID hair loss, women in COVID hair loss,
Right.
because so many women experienced losing like 75-80% of their hair after having COVID. And it's because it's a vascular issue. Um, and then having long COVID can make it even worse. So, you know, it's a thing of it'll come back, but the body has to heal itself.